Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, January 22nd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Starting the day off today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3/4 of a point to 28.10, spot 25. So all in all, futures are just slightly lower ahead of the opening bell. This comes as the government is officially shut down. What does that really mean? But, we'll see how it all plays out. We'll see how fast they get things up and running again. I don't think it takes all that much. But in the meantime, let's take a look at stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus and try to make some money. First stock I'm going to take a look at today is going to be Nuance Communication. NUAN is the ticker symbol there. Looks like that company reported earnings on Friday. Closed at 1701. This morning we are trading right around the 1870 level, so that's a good little pop. This probably wants to go to around that $19 level again. It got there on the initial spike on the news, but I think it could still get up there. And again, got to be a little bit careful here because it is long in the tooth at this stage of the game. But nice little pop here for Nuance Communication. I don't see it really going much past the 19 level. We'll see what it does once the opening bell rings. That will be on our radar today. Another one we're going to take a look at is going to be PetsMed, PETS is the ticker symbol here. Looks like this is getting a big pop as well. This closed at $53.24 on Friday. It's now trading at $58.70. I believe this is a new all-time high for this name. So again, very, very good pop there. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. In my opinion, it's a little bit overbought, but it still can go higher. And if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Not much I'm going to look to do here. Let's take a look at Halliburton. They also reported earnings this morning. Stock right now is trading at $54.24, closed at $53.01. Halliburton coming out with upward guidance as well. So this stock is holding up pretty nicely this morning. When I look at it, though, it is, again, another overbought equity like a lot of other things. It has been basing on the daily chart for about a week. So this could hold up a little bit. Halliburton, when I look at the bigger time frame, you should have a lot of resistance coming up to from 55 to 58. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss around there. Let's take a look at Sanmina, SANM. Looks like this is in the news as well. This is getting hit. I'm going to have a gap level for this one ready to go. Again, it's a little bit on the lighter volume side. Very often it doesn't trade a million shares, but I do see a decent level where I would be interested in getting in to this name at some point. So again, I'll have a gap play ready for Sanmina this morning. Monday's usually a little bit on the lighter side as far as earnings are concerned, even though we are in earnings season now. But this Sanmina is standing out to me, at least at the moment. Let's take a look at Sanofi, SNY is a ticker symbol here. Looks like they made an acquisition. The stock is trading at $42.83. So you got to be a little bit careful whenever a company makes an acquisition. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But this will be on my radar as well today. So keep that up and loaded, and we'll see what it gives us once the opening bell rings. Eli Lilly, I believe, was downgraded today. Let's take a look at that one. Ticker symbol is LLY. Stock is trading at $83.60. Closed at $85.49. Now, if Eli Lilly can get down to around 79.5 today, I don't know if that would happen, but there will be an excellent, excellent level there. So again, we'll be looking at Eli Lilly, but again, around 79.5, 79.40, I would be all over that on the long side today for a play. Let's take a look here at Dunkin Brands. DNKN is the ticker symbol here. Dunkin' Donuts. Many of you know it by that name. This was upgraded this morning, so the stock right now is trading at $64.56. Basically no pre-market action, but this was upgraded. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. That'll be on my radar as well. I believe Apple today was downgraded, AAPL. Apple right now trading at $177.48, closed at $178.46. So Apple really struggling to break out of its recent range, and the downgrade today doesn't help things at the moment. Now on the flip side, we have an upgrade here for HOG, which is Harley-Davidson. Stock right now trading at $54. This closed at $53 on Friday. So nice little pop higher for Harley-Davidson today. A lot of resistance around 55 to 55.70. You'll see weekly chart 200 moving average up there as well. So again, we'll see how that plays out. One more downgrade here, Palo Alto Networks, PANW. The stock right now trading at 154.75, closed at 157.22. So we'll be watching that one. Not enough of a gap, in my opinion, to do much with it right here in the pre-market. Also, the volume is pretty light, but we will look at this one once the opening bell rings. So that's our morning ideas. We'll see how it all plays out once the opening bell rings today. Let's switch gears here a little bit, go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up 20 cents to $1,333.30 an ounce. Crude oil today trading up 2 pennies to $63.32 a barrel. So we'll leave it here short and sweet. This is what we have this morning. Mondays, a little on the lighter side. Tonight we kick off earnings with Netflix, and tomorrow we'll have lots of companies reporting. So get ready, a lot more coming. With that being said, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've started off 2018 really well, just like 2017, and we're going to look to keep it going right into the end of the month and ultimately into the end of the year. So if you haven't done so, come on over, come trade right alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial, check it out, and we will see you all on the charts. Take care, everyone.